because we have all these fiat assets that are being depreciated and everyone knows it's happening. And now we have this little small door called Bitcoin, and people are starting to go through the small door. And that's why the Bitcoin price is up.
Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday Finance. In this video, Arthur Hayes discusses Bitcoin and crypto. According to Arthur Hayes believes that we are currently facing a situation that has occurred numerous times in history, where empires have risen and fallen. And now, for the first time in human history, we have the remarkable ability to save in the form of Bitcoin, a digital currency. The cryptocurrency situation is a global phenomenon where everyone has a stake in a new form of money. It has brought people from all around the world together. People around the world can still freely sell their fiat currency and purchase Bitcoin, as it is not currently blocked or banned in most locations. This provides individuals with the opportunity to explore alternative financial options, capable of transferring wealth from the traditional analog system that has been in place for centuries to a more modern and socially oriented approach, building a strong foundation for financial prosperity. The financial system has introduced a novel form of currency. Such a situation is unlikely to persist. It's concerning that we're facing another potential depreciation of our fiat assets. The fact that this issue is widely known adds to its urgency. Additionally, we now have a new challenge on our hands with this small door. Bitcoin has gained significant traction as more individuals embrace it, leading to a surge in its price. However, there is still uncertainty surrounding the factors driving this upward trend. Already this year, we've seen a significant increase of 50% or even 60%. It seems that institutional investors have finally recognized the inherent flaws in this rigged game. He assisted in manipulating the situation, and now he has a solution to extricate himself from the predicament he caused. He desires to divest from government bonds and partake in this opportunity. Bitcoin has gained significant attention, resulting in a surge of interest from individuals eager to capitalize on this trend. Consequently, the price of Bitcoin has been steadily increasing, creating a unique opportunity that may not come around again, and lots of things Arthur Hayes discussed. So please watch the video to end and share this video and subscribe our channel Everyday Finance. Thanks.
Has happened in the past many times. Empires have come and gone, but now we have, for the first time in human history, an ability to save in a currency, Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency situation in general, that is globally owned by everyone. And so the people own a new type of money. It's people around the world can still sell their fiat, whatever, and buy Bitcoin. It's not blocked or banned in most places yet. And so you're able to move wealth between this analog system that we've had for thousands of years into a new way of socially creating financial wealth, a financial system, a new type of money. This sort of situation is never going to happen again, because we have all these fiat assets that are being depreciated and everyone knows it's happening. And now we have this little small door called Bitcoin, and people are starting to go through the small door. And that's why the Bitcoin price is up, I don't know, 50% or 60% this year already, as now we have the institutional investors saying, yeah, I understand this game is rigged. I helped rig the game. Now I have a product where I can get out of this mess that I created. Get me the fuck out of government bonds. I want some of this Bitcoin too. And so now everyone's competing to get in this little door, and that's why the price is going up. So this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. We have a system reset, and we have a way to preserve wealth from the old system and bring it into the new system, and that's what crypto is. So Bitcoin is the reserve currency, if you will, of crypto. It's the ultrasound money. It's crypto money. And it's proven that's what it cares about. The community of Bitcoin cares about security and the immutability of the Bitcoin blockchain, and it wants to make it the soundest crypto money. So if you're thinking about, okay, I don't know anything else about crypto, but I kind of believe in this whole inflation and changing global relations story, then just buy Bitcoin, right? It's got the largest market cap. It's very conservative with the types of things that are added to the network, because everyone wants to make sure that Bitcoin is always the hardest money. So the experimentation is much lower on Bitcoin than other networks. Next, you go to, well, okay, can we build a new financial system within crypto that's decentralized finance, DeFi? And Ethereum, in my worldview, is the best decentralized computer that has been built thus far. And so if you think, okay, I think we need a new financial system that's based on these crypto assets, that's decentralized, that's transparent, blah, 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 then Ethereum is where it's at. And once you get past those two things, I'd say most other things within crypto are either some sort of application that rides on top of Ethereum or a decentralized like computer, another blockchain trying to disrupt either being the best money or the best decentralized computer. And then you sort of have to get into the weeds on understanding what it is these protocols are trying to do. So for those who just want to like close their eyes and buy something that's crypto safe, I'm not saying that's, there's no risk here, I would say Bitcoin and Ethereum are where you should start your journey. And once you say, okay, maybe there's some things I think these protocols could do better, or I've been hearing some things about these exciting new, very smart people building something, then you start going down the rabbit hole of other coins that do other things and obviously have more risk because they're experimenting more.
Arthur Hayes seems to have more faith in the narrative of inflation and shifting global relations rather than simply advocating for buying Bitcoin. He sees potential in it. With the largest market capitalization, the network has a very cautious approach when it comes to adding new elements. Because ensuring the stability of Bitcoin is a top priority, there is a strong focus on minimizing experimentation. Bitcoin seems to have more potential compared to other networks. Now let's explore the possibility of creating a decentralized financial system within the realm of cryptocurrency, known as decentralized finance, DeFi. In Arthur Hayes' perspective, Ethereum is considered the most superior decentralized computer that has been developed so far. Therefore, Arthur Hayes is onto something. We truly do require a fresh financial system that revolves around these crypto assets, which are decentralized and transparent. Let's back to the Arthur Hayes interview.
Volatility is your friend. The reason why you're even thinking about crypto is because the price went up a lot and you heard about it. So you want volatility. The entire TradFi traditional government apparatus is trying to do something unnatural, which is remove volatility from the system. Entropy is always increasing. It is unnatural to try to suppress volatility. Think about it like your lawn, if you have one at your house, right? Entropy says the grass keeps growing because that's what the grass does. What do you try to do? You spend energy to cut the grass because you want it to look a certain way, a certain non-volatile, pleasant way. But it's unnatural. If you don't have the energy to cut the grass grows. And the grass will grow long after you're gone because you can only do this so long. And that's the same thing governments and central banks and banking systems are doing. They're trying to squash volatility. We don't want volatility. And they're trying to convince you that it's safe. But there is no such thing as safe. There's chaos in the universe. It's always increasing. They're doing the unnatural thing by trying to remove it. And then at certain points, they can't do it anymore. And then there's an explosion somewhere, whether it's a war, whether it's a financial crisis. So embrace the volatility. This is the nature of the universe. And that's why Bitcoin and crypto is a good thing, because there is none of this manipulation. It goes up, it goes down, but it's a true reflection of what the universe is. So I think volatility is a good thing. Obviously, that means if you use leverage, be very judicious about it. If leverage trading is your thing, that better be your full-time job. Like, you better eat, breathe, and sleep the thing that you're trading, because that's the only way that you're going to survive. Thinking that you're going to get home from work, put on some highly leveraged crypto trade, and just trade for a few hours and then go to sleep, you will lose all your money.
According to Arthur Hayes, there appears to be an explosion, whether it's due to a conflict or a financial crisis. It's important to accept and adapt to the unpredictable nature of these events. The nature of the universe is what makes Bitcoin and crypto a favorable option, as they are not subject to the same manipulations that traditional financial systems experience. Their value fluctuates, but without external interference. It's a true reflection of what the universe is. Arthur Hayes believes that volatility is a positive aspect. This implies that if you utilize leverage, exercise caution and discretion if you are involved in leverage trading, it is crucial to treat it as a full-time commitment, prioritizing it as you would your daily sustenance. Make sure to deeply understand and prioritize the thing that you're trading, as it is crucial for your survival and success. Imagine coming home from work, eagerly diving into the world of high-stakes crypto trading, spending hours analyzing the market, only to find yourself facing significant losses that could potentially wipe out your entire investment. If you learned something from this video, then please like this video and subscribe our channel Everyday Finance, and we will meet in next video. Thanks.